How to fix lost access to Roblox Authenticator. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open roblox.com on your browser, add your email and password, and press on login at the bottom. After you press on login, you are stuck in this page. So click on use another verification method if you don't have Authenticator app. In here, click on Backup Code. Backup code will be given when you have added your Authenticator code. Now, you can simply add your backup code in here, and backup code looks something like this. Simply paste it and press on Verify at the bottom. After you verify it, you will be able to log into your Roblox account. And to stop this, what you can do is click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen after you're logged in to your account. Click on Settings, and in here click on Settings. After that, on the left side, click on Security, which is the second option. Click on Authenticator app and turn it off. After that, you'll find this option. Click on Confirm. After you've pressed on Confirm, you will need to add the same backup code. Click on Use Another Verification. Then click on Backup Code. After you've clicked on Backup Code, you can enter your code and press on Verify at the bottom. After you've verified, it will be turned off. This is how to fix lost access to Roblox Authenticator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.